Is Hey Siri not working on your iPhone? This issue could be caused by incorrect settings, a faulty microphone, or a software glitch. Don't worry, this guide will walk you through some simple steps to fix it and get Hey Siri working again. Let's dive in. Before you start, enable Siri from Accessibility. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Siri, scroll down, enable Always Lister for Siri. Back to main settings. Solution 1. Check Siri settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Siri, toggle on Allow Siri when locked. If already enabled, toggle it off. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Solution 2. Verify internet connection. Open a browser, go to fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection is low, enable airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then disable it. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, try saying Hey Siri again. Solution 3. Clean the microphone. Inspect the microphones on your iPhone for dust or debris. Use a soft, clean brush or compressed air to remove any blockages. Test the microphone by recording a voice memo or making a call. Solution 4. Re-enable Hey Siri. Open Settings, tap Siri, tap Talk to Siri, turn off Talk to Siri if it's turned on. Wait a moment, then tap on Hey Siri. Follow the prompts to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Hey Siri not working issue on your iPhone. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.